Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, the price structure hasn't really moved a lot. I actually wanted to see ETH go a little higher into resistance before it breaks down. Yeah, according to our yellow wave count, basically, in which the price has made probably 5 waves down, I would say, of the Sunday high. Yeah, I would argue this is a 5-wave move down. Then we should see 3 waves up. Maybe A, B, C in wave B or wave 2. I explained all of these in the previous video. And then in the white wave count, we could get a C wave down off wave 4 before we go up in the large resistance area, or it breaks down in the yellow wave count. So I'm very much leaning towards the yellow wave count because we had a 5-wave move to the upside. But both counts are basically mirror counts. Yeah, they move together, ideally into the resistance area, and then we see a rejection in both wave counts. This would be my preferred option, to be honest. There are a couple of ideas I have how this could play out. So we obviously had off this Sunday high, 5 waves down, which gives us a signal that we have downside pressure. So 5 waves down is usually followed by a 3-wave move to the upside in this case. And, you know, it could be that wave 1, so the 5-wave move isn't even finished, and that basically, I haven't put the lower degree waves on there, but maybe the last wave of that wave 1 of that 5-wave move is still unfolding as a diagonal. That's possible, but you can add a trend line here, basically a wedge pattern, to understand when this drop down is finished. Or it could be it's just finished, okay, and we're now doing an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave is going to follow. But it's a very weak A wave, and the B wave comes very deep. It would be a flat structure. Now we'll see. These are the couple of options I've got. But I mean, if it drops much lower, then we are probably not going to see that rally, and it might go down more directly. But yeah, I'm very much still leaning at further downside, towards further downside, as I've said continuously. We just need to see to be more bullish short term, yeah, or let's say medium term, and in order to be able to confirm that a lasting low has been established on the 11th of September, you know the routine. We need to see the 5 waves up. Only when I have them, I can consider that a low is in. I mean, I'm considering it, but you know, I don't even have any confirmation for it. It would just be a guess, okay? So we need 5 waves up and 3 waves down. And as I said before, if we don't get the 5 waves up, it can always break earlier, okay? Because we pretty much, the trend is still down. The trend has never changed to the upside. The trend, as per market structure and Elliott Wave, will only change to the upside if we get 5 up, 3 down. So 5 waves up, then we add a support area for the pullback. Until we see that, the trend is down, okay? So the daily time frame obviously is still bullish. Yeah, there's no reason to focus on something more bearish. However, the time frame that sort of matters short term shows a downtrend, and that's why we focus on lower until we see an impulsive reaction. That's the process. You know, that's the only process that makes sense, because we go with a trend and then we wait for a signal, and when we get that signal, then we can look for the next trade setup, and we have some confidence that an uptrend is started, okay? So this obviously just looking here at the 1 to 4 hour charts. I show you the daily chart basically on a daily time frame as well, on a daily basis as well. So you always get the idea of the larger time frame as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what I can tell you. I mean, ideally we start to see a little bit of a recovery here, but ETH is very weak compared to BTC at the moment. So yeah, we'll see. It just keeps dropping. Hasn't even shown us any clear start to a wave 2 or a B wave into the resistance yet. But it can still do that. It can still do that. But due to the 5-wave nature of the decline since Sunday, we have a signal that, you know, that 5-wave move to the upside is certainly getting less likely. Yeah, but overall, if you go to the daily time frame, nothing changed. You know, we've been in this range now for a while. And that's obviously why we focus so much on the lower time frames, because not much is going on there. But I'll keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And if you're interested in the membership, the links are in the description as well. You get access to a weekly live stream, Discord and Telegram access with a lot of educational content and chat rooms. And as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.